Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Premium Plus and a Granite Crystal exterior. It rides on 17-inch Yokohama Avid all-season tires with excellent tread. Going under the hood, we have a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine, giving this Grand Caravan 283 horsepower. On the driver's side door, you have your power locks, power windows, and your power mirrors. This Grand Caravan seats up to 7 people with premium leather and suede lining interior, and if you're on the driver's side, you get access to the power seat and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings, and on the left, you have your voice recognition, Bluetooth, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel is your audio controls, and as we head into the odometer, it reads 24,241 kilometers. The Grand Caravan comes with a Uconnect touchscreen, which you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we hop into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. And going to nav, you get a full detailed screen to guide you where you need to go. Down below is your tri-zone climate control system, so you can independently control the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear. Heading to the second row, we have 2 captain chairs. Both can be used as Sto N Go with lots of leg space. As we head into the back, the third row has 3 seats, also with lots of leg room. As we look up, we have the third of our tri-zone climate control system. And for entertainment purposes, pressing this button brings down the DVD entertainment system. As we finish off, we have a button right here that activates the power sliding door. Heading to the trunk area, there's plenty of cargo space with storage along the side. If you need any more, the third row is a 60/40 split fold Sto N Go. Once you're done in the trunk, you have a button right here activating the power lift gate. So there you have it, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Premium Plus. If you like what you see and would like to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, you can come see us at Tower Chrysler and get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.